This is the UI for our AI Module 5 SIDE, where we will make our first program using AI Module 5 SE. In the motion section, all of our motion sensors, such as those used to set motor speed. This is the sound and light section. We've added various additional sensors and done a lot of interesting things. This is the sensor section. We add various additional sensors and do lots of interesting things. This is our loop structure. These are our logic and math sections. We can even do some simple math. These are our variables. We can create different variables here. This is our AI vision module, which uses a camera to detect lanes, crosswalks, faces, April tags, QR codes, and custom objects on the map, enabling advanced navigation and recognition tasks. This is our patrol line module. We can configure the robot to detect black and white lines on the map and automatically follow them. Now it's time to make our first program. First of all, we will add our forever repeat loop. We add our motor function with power required. Now in our sound and light functions, we'll add commands so that our light sensor can work and display our light. Make sure to select red. Let's add a function that waits for 2 seconds. Now we'll add a single gray port function that can detect either a value or a distance. Make sure it integrates with our loop structure. Next, we'll add a function to stop the motor. Make sure to select Motor A, since our motor is connected to port A on our AI Module 5S. Add the wait 2 seconds command again. We'll add the LED port again, making sure to select a green LED this time. Add reverse motor function. Then add a motor control function with the specified power and run it for the specified time period. Finally, add the function that waits 2 seconds again. Make sure our optical port is connected to port 4 on the AI Module 5S. Let's set our motor power to 10. Let's connect to our AI Module 5S and take a look at the output.